Hello everyone. This videos is all related to SQL programming language. So, okay. So, before going to the SQL in advanced level, so this video will cover all the SQL related syntaxes, all the joins, complex joins, joins related to two-level joins, left join, considering 10 tables, 20 tables, and will cover up to 30 tables, like how the complex joins work, how the perfectly getting the unique quantity through joining, applying join on the unique features. So joins, views, triggers, and lot many more. So this course will be all advanced level course, which will be very helpful to crack the interviews or project level. So this whole is related, this whole videos will be related to advanced level SQL programming, SQL PL programming, where you will get to know about how we can read the JSON, complex JSON, how we can get the values and insert into the tables using these SQL programming languages. So before going actually into the more details related to SQL, I would like to let you know some theoretical aspects which has been asked in the interview. So interviewers used to ask you the joins. They will share you some tables and they will ask you for join. But before that, they basically ask some theoretical related things related to a database. So I have covered in this video what my interview experience was there with different company related to database and what they basically ask. So very small questions sometimes they used to ask, like what is data? What is the difference between database and database management system? So it's very easy. Data is, let me help you to imagine it. Consider a Facebook website. So in a Facebook, there are multiple users. Consider all users' information, profile picture as a data scattered everywhere. Imagine it, all the images scattered everywhere. Now, when those images will belong to a unique person name, like I have uploaded 5 pictures on Facebook, that 5 pictures belong to me, to my. So in that case, it's not a scattered data. In that case, you are assigning it, you are storing it in a specific, like my name will belong to these many information. My name, my age, my occupation, my friends list, who all are in my friend list. So imagine it. So there would be my table, my name details table, where my name and other information, my age, my occupation, profile images. Now there would be separate my friends, my common groups which I have accessed. So all those details become a database. So all these information, huge information, you need to store it somewhere. So that becomes database. What is database management system? Is the complete database management. Is database when managed in such a way, when you try to access those information, like I signed into Facebook, I entered my details, I will able to access my information. So how this information came within a seconds. So you are retrieving it. So that is a database, means retrieval. You can upload your profile picture, it is update. You can post it, that is you are creating it, or you can delete your profile picture, that is deleting. So all those is related to database management system. So sometimes they ask you a differences, which sometimes lots of people are not able to give it. Okay, so why we don't go with file? Earlier, we used to store information in the file terms of folder, my folder, your folder, many people's folder. Why we don't go? Why we go with this? They ask why you are going with the database. Why you're not going with the normal file storage? You simply need to tell data redundancy, means there is no duplication. Consistency, data no duplication, so consistent. Sharing is very easy, means sharing of data means who has. Very important thing which I will be teaching you in SQL is, in SQL or in a database, there are lots of accesses: read access, write access, read and write access. So we can create a database where you will get some read access. Read means you can only read it. You have a write access. If some people know what is view, what is table, what is procedure, then I will let you know that you will also get read write access in views and procedures, that you can only read views, you can write the procedures. So these all accesses which user get. In case of file, we don't get it. One folder, everybody can access it. But here we can give access, that I can only read the information. I can't manipulate the information. Security and concurrency. Like try to upload profile picture in Facebook through laptop, and I try to upload profile picture through phone. So there should be concurrency. There should be no clash. Like in bank also, now um, when I'm sending some money through phone pay to another people, so in that case, if money is deducted from my account and between that something happened, net disconnected, so money, if it deducted from my bank account, is not reach that person whom I'm sending, then there should be a rollback. So the rollback also I will be teaching you, that it's not like my money is deducted and that person haven't gone and it went through a bank account. So it's not like that. So there is a current concurrency. So these things you can tell it. You don't need to learn it. You just need to remind it there is a no duplication, consistency, security, and concurrency. Now, this they won't ask you, but you should know that we will be learning SQL, which is a relational database. Why? What is relational? What is difference between relational and non-relational database? I remembered I was asked in one of my interview. So relational means when there is a relationship between your columns, when there is a relationship between two tables, when there is a relationship between your columns and your values, we call it as a relational database, because there is a relationship between multiple tables, your columns and rows. Okay, so that's about database things. These were some overview which you can get interviewed, which is very basic, but they used to ask. Now, what is the structure? Before going through the structure, this is a normal database thing. I will help you imagine, consider a website of Amazon. In Amazon website, when you uh, when you logged into an Amazon website, what do you see? You enter your details. So you become customer, you get able to see product, that become product, you place order, that becomes order, then there is order line, there would be multiple lines related to order, then there would be shipment when you enter the shipment details. So all your customer related email ID, your name, your other personal related thing will be this products, all the products of the Amazon. In term, they would be again stored in some other tables like categories based on order. Your all the orders will be there. In shipment, your all shipment address will be there. So this is how you can imagine it. When you imagine these diagrams, how they are connected, all product, customer, order line, you will be able to understand database, because database is all about connections. How we are not storing at all the details in one table, we are breaking into multiple tables. Like my personal information will be in this, and how we are connecting. If I want to get information from order table, I would first get through customer, then to order. If I want to get a product, I can directly get the product information. So it's like that. So in this video, it's all about database. In next video, I will cover more details related to keys, which is very important, because you are getting your details based on your key. You enter your email ID when you log into of Amazon or any of the uh, unique. So your key is become your email ID, that is unique, that is giving you all the information from the DB. So that's it. Thank you for listening me. I hope this helps, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.